got jam puffs right here. We got horseshoe. The horseshoe and jam puffs are really similar. They both have strawberry jam or raspberry jam inside of them. They're just shaped differently. Welcome to Bajan Lifestyles, where we give you the best of Barbados and all of its hidden treasures. Today we are in Spicetown for, can you guess? Pastries. We are here to roam Spicetown. You'll see that in another video. But for today, in this video, it's all about Bajan pastries. Old time Bajan pastries. You know, the real good stuff. Just like my granddad did. So let's go to PRC's bakery here in Spicetown. This is a rock cake, or this is something different from a rock cake?
This is type of rock cake, but this is not the original rock cake. These are jam buns.
Oh, jam
What
buns.
we refer to as the original rock cake. It's the same yellow color, but it's a bit rough on the top. And
Right.
You get cherry or raisins.
Yeah. Do you do rock cakes? Awesome. You don't have any right now? And this is lead pipe.
These are the ones with that very dense.
Yeah. These ones over here, I don't know. What's this one here?
These here are.
Let me make sure I can hear you. 1 second.
Okay, these are what we call the light sweet, or some people may refer to them as a choice bread. So it's a slightly sweet bread.
Okay.
These ones here are quite similar, but these are the sweet buns. And these are our version of sweet buns. And they are sweeter than the light sweet.
Okay.
So you can eat them just as they are, or you can put cheese or jam in them if you wish.
They remind me of hot cross buns.
Yes, we make our hot cross buns similar to these here, with the cross and stuff in them.
Yeah.
So we'll be doing some earlier this year by special request.
Yes.
And this bread here is off of the light sweet family, and it's called a plait or braided bread because they literally plait the bread.
Yeah.
And this here is what is referred to as a sandbox, and that's because of the shape, like the sandbox from the sandbox tree, right? And it's off of the light sweet as well.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
So the prices, people, I think, from what I can see, the most expensive thing here is sweet bread at $6 Barbados dollars, cut that in half for US. These prices are absolutely amazing. I love it, love it, love it. We got jam puffs right here. We got horseshoe. The horseshoe and jam puffs are really similar. They both have strawberry jam or raspberry jam inside of them. They're just shaped differently. Got some more horseshoes down there. We've got coconut. She said there's a coconut slice. And the current slice is over there, which is different. One is coconut and the other is raisins. Yes. Which one's your favorite? Why do you like the current slice? You like it with raisins?
Raisins is burly stomach.
Oh.
Coconut is burly stomach.
Oh, the coconut burns your stomach. Okay, gotcha. So that means you don't like turnovers. Oh, you like turnovers. You got your turnovers in your hand. Awesome. Thank you. I'm having such a hard time choosing what to buy right now. I'll let you guys see what I go with. I love everything here. If I haven't said before, this brings me back to my childhood memories when my granddad, he had a bakery called Lee's Bakery in Strathclyde. My dad probably watched this. So I've grown up on some beautiful, amazing bread. It's okay, you go right ahead.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Yeah, the tourists are here, so a little harder notes hard. But yeah, I grew up on real old-time Bajan bread, sweet breads, pastries, salt bread with the bit of the coconut branch on it. Boy, watching everybody as they're baking, watching the flour, the stone ovens. I love it absolutely so much. But guys, if you're in Barbados and you want to try real Bajan pastries and a bakery full of love, they've been around for 20 years, come down to PRC's Bakery in Spicetown. Oh, jam puffs, right? Thank you. So I got myself a turnover. And jumper, a coconut slice. I hope you can hear me, all these people. A meat roll, and a lead pipe. Let's go. Tourists are here, probably from a cruise liner.
Remember, you cannot take it on ship.